Begin your makeup journey with a moisturizer, the unsung hero that hydrates and protects your skin. Next up is the primer, your makeup's best friend, ensuring it stays put and giving your skin a healthy glow. Follow this with a foundation to cover blemishes and even out skin tone. Now it's time for concealer. Remember, it's thicker than foundation and perfect for hiding dark circles and age spots. A light touch of face powder sets your makeup and brightens your skin. Add color and life to your face with a touch of blush. Let's move on to the eyebrows, for they frame your face and accentuate your eyes. Speaking of eyes, eyeshadow is your tool to make them pop. Eyeliner can change your look dramatically, and mascara adds the finishing touch, making your eyes look bigger. Finally, lipstick, the star of the show, enhances your overall look. And don't forget the highlighter. It's the cherry on top that gives your skin a radiant glow. Voila! You've mastered the art of makeup in 13 easy steps.